Hello, in this video we will remove duplicates from our data, and the first thing you have to do here, you have to go to Data panel and locate the button to remove duplicates. It will be here in Data Tools, and it looks like this two blue lines with a little red cross in the right corner. So if you click on this button, Excel would select your data. Observe here that our data has headers. So if you remove it, it will include the first row with headers, but I want to keep this option because indeed I have headers in my data. Observe that I have double recording for transaction number 6, and of course it creates a problem because I will overestimate my total sales if I don't remove it. And by default, Excel selected all of my columns here, so it's just enough to click OK to remove this duplicate of transaction number 6, and other values remain. If you just want to keep the unique names of products, you can also use this option of remove duplicates, but in that case you'll have to unselect all of your columns and, for example, select only product and click OK. And in that way you see that only 6 products are on sale in our company and they have been listed here. However, there is a better way to get the list of unique products, and this is actually a function called unique. So let's undo the last step. Let's type unique and select all of the products in your list and click enter. And you see pretty much the same list of 6 products has been selected, but you are keeping the original file, you don't destroy your sales data. Thank you, and see you in the following videos. If you want to see more videos like that, buy a coffee for our team. Thank you.